Hi, welcome to Worth Knowing TV. As we know, we just had a WWDC, and in WWDC, Xcode is coming out with a great new features and the capabilities. And one of them is ACP, that is an Agent Context Protocol, which means that we can add our GitHub Copilot CLI right into Xcode as natively. In this episode, I'm going to show you that. So stay tuned and let's get started. Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install Copilot CLI as well as we'll connect it with Xcode natively, and I'll show you how cool that is, that alongside with OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini, you can also have Copilot CLI within the Xcode, which is really cool. So before further ado, we will be installing Copilot CLI through Homebrew. So just in case if you don't have a Homebrew, you probably want to come to the brew.sh and copy this and basically install it. That's all it is. And it might ask you the password here because it needs to create few directories that may required, as it's saying, the sudo access. But anyway, once that is installed, basically what you need to do is you need to install the Copilot CLI. And as you know, it's installing. As you can see, our Copilot is also successfully installed. If I do Copilot, it would ask me that if I want to trust this folder, which is fine. I mean, you can. And as you can see that my Copilot is started. Now what we need to do is we will go inside the Xcode and install the custom agent. So go to Xcode, go to settings, and go to the intelligence. As you can see that we already have 3 agents, which are 3 big companies in the AI business. Now we'll add an agent and I will call it GitHub Copilot CLI, and the path. What you need to do is do which Copilot. And now you can actually copy this path and just paste in here. No interpreter is needed. Argument is the most crucial and critical. If you do not do this correct, you would not able to communicate. The ACP is Agent Context Protocol or Agent Communication Protocol. Both are used in AI world interchangeably. Once this is there, you can add. And as you can see, the custom GitHub Copilot CLI is installed. And now we can say new conversation with GitHub Copilot, and I can ask what model I am using to show you guys that it is connected, working in Xcode 27. As you can see, I'm using GitHub Copilot free because if you have a GitHub, you have some tokens free of cost. I'm not paying for it, but you can connect it. If you have an account, I'm thinking to buy an account because now I will have a decent account that has a decent limit. Tell me about this project. This is the app right here. I can probably upgrade it to Swift 6. So let's ask this. I'm asking a straightforward question. What step I need to take to make this app Swift 6 ready? This is so cool. And thanks to Apple for opening up for other agents. I love to have something and have that freedom to choose. I feel that GitHub with their latest update, GitHub CLI with their latest update, having the Agent Context Protocol, and Apple opening up Xcode to connect it to external agents is such a cool step. So thank you, Apple, for doing it. Again, this is super cool. If you have an OpenAI, I would say that you can use it for a heavier task, but you can also use GitHub Copilot for doing the small tasks. As I have been telling in other in my other videos, how we use tokens and how we consume tokens, if I would say, is gonna get very critical as we go further into this AI world. Adding GitHub Copilot CLI is very easy. You need to have the GitHub Copilot. Make sure you have logged in. Once you have logged in, make sure that you know where your Copilot CLI is. And after that, you just need to come in Xcode, settings, and add an agent. So thank you. And if you like this video and if you learned something and if you want to have some feedback for me, please do like, subscribe. Tell me if there are any specific videos or a specific tech that you want me to explore. Until then, bye.